color is a bit apprehensive when doing a bleach technique. And also with social media influences, expectations have gone through the roof.
So if you want to learn how to be confident with your color technique, your application, and also your guest expectations, then this is the course for you.
On this course, we will be teaching you the science behind bleaching, which is just so valuable.
And you will also learn our bleach application technique, which ensures there is no banding and the color is beautiful and even.
We'll also be teaching you classic and creative toning.
So you'll get to learn our signature Skyler London double tone technique.
And we'll also help you manage your guest expectations during consultation.
And with all of this, you also get a gorgeous goodie bag to take back to your salon so you can bleach to your heart's content.
Check out our available courses and learn how to do color in the Skyler London way.